Did you know that something as simple as a glass of lemon water can significantly impact your health? It's true. This humble drink has been cherished for its health benefits for generations. This simple beverage, enjoyed for centuries, is packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that can benefit your body in numerous ways. Lemons are rich in vitamin C, potassium, and other essential nutrients that contribute to overall health. From boosting your immune system to improving your digestion, lemon water is a refreshing and easy way to enhance your overall well-being. It can also help in maintaining a healthy complexion and aiding in weight management. Many people start their day with a glass of warm lemon water, believing it kickstarts their metabolism and helps them feel more energized. This morning ritual is thought to cleanse the digestive system and prepare the body for the day ahead. While the science behind these specific claims is still being investigated, there's no denying that lemon water offers a refreshing and healthy way to increase your daily fluid intake. Staying hydrated is crucial for maintaining bodily functions and overall health. Packed with vitamin C, a powerful antioxidant, lemon water can support your immune system and protect your cells from damage caused by free radicals. This can help in reducing the risk of chronic diseases and promoting longevity. Whether you're looking for a healthy morning ritual or simply a refreshing drink throughout the day, lemon water is a versatile and beneficial choice. It can be enjoyed hot or cold, making it suitable for any season. Let's delve deeper into the history, science, and practical tips for incorporating this citrusy elixir into your daily routine. From ancient remedies to modern scientific studies, lemon water continues to be a beloved and healthful beverage. Lemons, native to Southeast Asia, have been prized for their medicinal and culinary uses for centuries. Ancient civilizations, including the Egyptians and Greeks, recognized the therapeutic properties of lemons, using them to treat various ailments. In traditional Indian medicine, Ayurveda, lemons are believed to balance all three doshas, Vata, Pitta, and Kapha, promoting overall health and well-being. During the Age of Exploration, lemons played a crucial role in preventing scurvy, a debilitating disease caused by vitamin C deficiency among sailors. The British Navy even mandated daily lemon rations for their sailors, solidifying the lemon's reputation as a health-promoting fruit. Today, lemons are cultivated worldwide, enjoyed for their tangy flavor and versatility in various cuisines. Their juice, rind, and essential oils are used in countless culinary creations, beverages, and traditional remedies. The enduring popularity of lemons is a testament to their refreshing taste and remarkable health benefits. What makes lemons a nutritional powerhouse? Their acidic juice is a rich source of vitamin C, a potent antioxidant that plays a vital role in protecting your body from free radical damage. Free radicals are unstable molecules that can damage cells and contribute to aging and various diseases. Antioxidants like vitamin C neutralize these harmful molecules, protecting your cells and promoting overall health. Lemons also contain small amounts of other essential nutrients, including potassium, magnesium, and B vitamins. Potassium is crucial for maintaining healthy blood pressure, while magnesium supports muscle and nerve function. B vitamins are essential for energy production, cell growth, and the formation of red blood cells. While lemons may not be a significant source of these nutrients compared to other fruits and vegetables, their combination of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants contributes to their overall health benefits. Staying adequately hydrated is crucial for maintaining bodily functions, regulating body temperature, transporting nutrients, and flushing out waste products. Water is essential for life, and adding a squeeze of lemon to your glass can make staying hydrated more enjoyable. As mentioned earlier, lemons are an excellent source of vitamin C, a vital nutrient that supports immune function, collagen production, and wound healing. Vitamin C also acts as an antioxidant, protecting your cells from damage caused by free radicals. While plain water is always a healthy choice, adding lemon can encourage you to drink more throughout the day, especially if you find plain water boring. The refreshing flavor of lemon can make hydration more appealing, helping you meet your daily fluid needs. Section 5. Digestion and detoxification. Many people find that drinking warm lemon water first thing in the morning aids digestion. This simple habit can be easily incorporated into your daily routine. Lemons contain citric acid, which stimulates the production of saliva and digestive juices, aiding the breakdown of food. This can help your body process meals more efficiently. While more research is needed to confirm this specific benefit, the increased fluid intake from drinking lemon water can certainly help prevent constipation and promote regular bowel movements. Staying hydrated is crucial for maintaining a healthy digestive system. Lemons are also often touted for their detoxifying properties. They are believed to help cleanse the body of toxins. While our bodies have natural detoxification systems in place, such as the liver and kidneys, some proponents believe that lemon water can enhance these processes. This belief is based on the idea that lemon water can support liver function. The citric acid in lemons is thought to stimulate enzyme production in the liver, aiding in detoxification. This could potentially help the liver work more efficiently. However, it's essential to remember that these claims are not yet fully supported by scientific evidence. It's always best to approach such claims with a healthy dose of skepticism. More research is needed to understand the specific mechanisms by which lemon water may contribute to digestion and detoxification. Until then, enjoy lemon water as a refreshing beverage with potential benefits. Section 6. Skin health and weight management. The high vitamin C content in lemons isn't just beneficial for your internal health, it can also work wonders for your skin. Vitamin C is a crucial component of collagen, a protein that provides structure and elasticity to your skin. Collagen production naturally declines with age, leading to wrinkles, fine lines, and sagging skin. Consuming vitamin C-rich foods and beverages like lemon water can support collagen production, potentially promoting youthful-looking skin. Lemon water is also often associated with weight loss, although the evidence for this claim is largely anecdotal. Some people believe that the citric acid in lemons can boost metabolism and promote fat burning. While more research is needed to confirm these specific effects, lemon water can be a healthy and refreshing alternative to sugary drinks, which can contribute to weight gain. Section 7. Making lemon water a habit. Incorporating lemon water into your daily routine is incredibly simple and can be a delightful way to start your day. Begin your morning with a glass of warm or room temperature lemon water before breakfast. This small habit can set a positive tone for the rest of your day. This refreshing ritual can help you rehydrate after sleep and may even aid digestion, making you feel more energized and ready to take on the day. Carry a reusable water bottle with you throughout the day and add a few lemon slices for a refreshing and flavorful boost. This ensures you stay hydrated and enjoy the benefits of lemon water all day long. You can adjust the amount of lemon juice to your liking, starting with a small squeeze and gradually increasing the amount as desired. This way, you can find the perfect balance that suits your taste. Experiment with different variations to keep things interesting and prevent monotony. Add a few mint leaves, a slice of cucumber, or a sprinkle of ginger for a flavorful twist. These additions not only enhance the taste, but also provide additional health benefits. You can also try adding a dash of cayenne pepper for an extra metabolic boost. This can help kickstart your metabolism and add a bit of spice to your drink. Remember, the key is to find what you enjoy and make it a sustainable part of your daily routine. Consistency is crucial for reaping the long-term benefits of this simple yet effective habit. Section 8. Choosing your lemons wisely. When it comes to lemons, fresh is always best. Choose lemons that are firm, brightly coloured, and free from blemishes or soft spots. Organic lemons are a good option as they are grown without the use of synthetic pesticides and herbicides. If you're using conventional lemons, be sure to wash them thoroughly under running water before using them. You can also use a vegetable brush to gently scrub the surface and remove any dirt or residue. Store your lemons at room temperature away from direct sunlight. You can also store them in the refrigerator for longer shelf life. However, cold temperatures can dull the flavour of lemons, so it's best to bring them to room temperature before using them. Section 9. A word of caution. While lemon water is generally safe for most individuals, it's essential to be mindful of its acidity. The citric acid in lemons can erode tooth enamel over time, especially if consumed in large quantities or without proper dental hygiene. To minimize the risk of enamel erosion, drink lemon water through a straw, rinse your mouth with plain water after drinking, and wait at least 30 minutes before brushing your teeth. If you have any underlying health conditions, such as gastroesophageal reflux disease, or GERD, or citrus allergies, it's best to consult with your doctor before incorporating lemon water into your diet. Section 10. The zest of life. From its ancient origins to its modern-day popularity, lemon water continues to be a refreshing and healthful beverage enjoyed by many. While more research is needed to confirm some of its purported health benefits, its high vitamin C content, hydrating properties, and potential digestive and skin health benefits make it a worthwhile addition to a balanced diet. Incorporating lemon water into your daily routine is simple, affordable, and customizable to your taste preferences. So, why not add a little zest to your life and experience the refreshing benefits of lemon water for yourself?